Welcome to Must Have Classics, where we restore history one classic at a time. This here is our 1973 Ford Maverick Grabber. We did a full paint job on this one. The customer wanted it to be as stock as original, look as stock as original. We did change up a couple of things. Here, you'll notice that this is actually now paint. We want to thank Crafty Jackrabbit for getting this custom decal made for us so we can make it back to what it's supposed to be. We went back with the original Ford white and the original orange. This is an original orange and white car. They'd already had the vinyl roof done, but now it's ready to go back home to Amarillo, hit up that car scene, and win a bunch of trophies. But if you want to see more of these builds, this is the first of many you'll see. So go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Must Have Classics for daily updates on every job we have in here. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.